We play a vital role because without our equipment, engines don't come off, engines don't move, engines don't get reinstalled.
AGSE was actually founded in 1973, a reliable yet robust, innovative design to move engines around the world.
I've always taken pride in doing my work at 100% all day, every day.
When you apply the brake, no movement.
I took that in when I was in the military. I did a couple of tours with the Marine Corps and found a home here at AGSE.
My dad was the one that got me into it. He was working in this company for 44 years before he retired. I used to come here every single weekend when he was working on Saturdays, and he'll show me the job that we're working on, the photos. Our people are the strength of what we do and how we do it.
We have a workforce. Some people have been here 20, 30, 40 plus years. They have a personal sense of pride in the role that they play in this product that we deliver.
I'm a very, very strong supporter of all the servicemen, so it makes me very proud to know that this equipment is going out to help them accomplish their mission.
Great. Thank you. Good job.
We're just grateful that we can be even a small part of a program that helps our military in any way to protect and defend our country. That makes us probably more proud than anything.